Are you the last one?
You see, it's starting.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It's moving now, finally. So it's basically going on the yellow line now.
Yeah, it's gonna go on the yellow line and then to the runway.
Oh guys, do you see the construction?
Yeah, there's a big construction. I think it's turning.
The sign people are right there. You see the airport?
That's the wing. Oh yeah, that's the watchtower. That's the watchtower.
Yeah, I saw them on the highway when I was coming. Did you? Oh, do you see the
Skyland.
Oh, it's turning, it's turning. Hello. We got our neck pillows.
They just said we're gonna take off.
Take the video until we take off.
When it goes like on the runway, it's gonna be so good. Oh, oops.
Right now it's really just so
Aria, you're blocking the entire. Okay, now you're not.
Oh my gosh, guys, there's a bunch of stuff there. Right, Adi?
Yeah, look at that person.
Oh, you see the construction?
Aria,
Oh, guys, it's taking off.
wait,
I think it's gonna
I
take
hear
off.
the engines. I hear the engines. It's gonna take off.
So excited.
Wait, we recorded the video at the same time.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay, you guys are ready, right? Tell me when you're ready.
We get a lot of oh my god.
Can you hear yourself?
Yeah, I'm like a robot voice.
Do you hear it? Before, did you hear your voice?
Yeah, I heard. It was
Well,
like a robot voice.
no, it's like a thin voice, right?
Yeah, it's like a robot.
So basically, we heard some weird thing. So weird.
Wait, it's not moving. Oh yes, now it's moving.
The two red toggles sharply down. Camera in place, all tap up the life jacket, step down into the
Oh
balcony.
my god.
I'm so excited. It's gonna take
On your life
off.
jacket to attract attention.
So this
Having
is
three without life jacket or life hot, for instance.
a girl.
Take a moment to find the emergency exit nearest to your seat. Look back as it may be behind you.
I'm so
Sorry
excited.
that you see Aria's name.
Look at that. I'm so excited.
You need to evacuate. Leave all your bags behind.
It's not even
Lights on
moving.
the floor.
It's not even moving. Why is it just running the engine?
I think it's getting ready. It's gonna get ready.
Robot boys, we're gonna get the robot boys. Oh.
I don't like the robot voice.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
We have the robot voice again.
Uh-oh.
Sit back, relax, enjoy your moments.
Hey,
It's not just moving.
I think you're blocking me. You're blocking me then. Yeah, you're blocking me.
Then how can I take it?
Like, do it on the side a little bit. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Start it. Guys, the wings just did something.
Yeah, it's like bouncing. Wait, it's like the airplane video, the funny one that I sent you. Remember? Oh yeah, the jet to
Chuck's going wrong.
Focus. This is 5 minutes.
We're gonna take it. Let's go. Take off. The wings, guys. Look at the wings.
The arm 있습니다.
The arm.
Oh, it's gonna be so fun, right? I'm weighing it up.
All it's showing is your eye.
But then how can I take a picture just showing the wing?
What?
Just showing the wing. How do I see everything?
Okay, yeah. Listen.
Oh, no, guys.
I'll put it up and you can put it down.
No, I'm not putting it down. Everything's not going to show. You're putting it down. Oh, guys, it was moving.
Oh, it's moving now. It's moving.
It started on a long time. We didn't even notice.
Okay, now.
Someone messaged me.
No, it said message failed to send.
What does that mean?
Like it didn't send because of the connection.
Out of the station. Uh-oh. Let's say bye airport. Bye airport.
Hi, Dallas Fort Worth International Airport.
Yep. Oh, you see the trucks? They're still there.
Oh, yeah. And those are some other.
Oh, you guys see the road?
That's
Runway.
no, that's not a run.
I mean, that's the road for those kind of trucks, right?
Yeah.
You guys only see the wing, the kind of bottom thing,
Oh,
and
and
you see
that's
the
the
sky.
That's the taxi lane. Taxi. Taxi, not a yellow one.
Guys, I think we're gonna take off. We're gonna take off. I just saw plane take off.
I didn't.
Did you guys just see that wing there? Oh, you see the road.
Oh my god. We're gonna take off now. We'll have to gain on one speed.
Can I see? You can be like that. Do you see it? Yeah.
Bro, put your seatbelt.
I have a seatbelt.
Tight.
Tighten it. Just pull that handle on.
Oh, that's enough. Like the thing under?
Yeah, the under.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, look at the airport. Look at all these windows.
So much windows on the airport so people can see down. Oh yeah, the flight attendant. I'll show you really quick.
Oh, those are
Oh, the plane.
American Airlines.
Everything's on before. Think of the other airlines. Oh, wait, what? Oh. I think we're going to take after like 10 or 5 minutes. Right, Adi? What? We're going to take off after 10 or 5 minutes.
That's another airplane.
Yep. Huh. Grass. I think
This is the real one right now.
thing, black thing got actually.
Frontier. That's another airplane. Wait, I think it's moving. It's moving.
Yeah, it was moving, I saw. I showed them the front of it.
The front of the plane. Huh?
Oh yeah, you should see this side.
I can't hear you.
Well, you guys say we're not doing it bumpy. Honey, we took off already. I think the planes are still. Are the planes things are still there?
I don't know.
The plane wheels. I think they are.
The plane wheels are still.
Oh yeah, the plane wheels are there still. One second.
They didn't retract yet.
Yo. Bro, front of the airplane is
Oh yeah, that's another airplane.
Wait, what? You guys see the map?
Hey guys, don't think it actually is. What do you mean? Oh, they're not. I'm actually sitting in a
My video just so funny.